Here's official Roland Garros app. You can see here Federation Française de Tennis. You can just download it like that, get into the game at Roland Garros. Pretty cool. They have it. And then access your ticket, exclusive content, order of play results, and much more. Your new spectators area. So then you can just open it up. And then you just see it like that in here. So then you see how it works live. You can see news, you can see all the matches upcoming live, kind of. Then you can see a schedule, and then you can see draws, men's singles, women's singles. So then you can see so that's the idea.